delight. Kids are laughing, full of cheer. Something sweet is coming near.
Walking down the street so slow, holding hands, off they go. Suddenly a bell goes ding. Happy thoughts begin to sing.
Ice cream truck is rolling by, colorful flags waving high. Kids all stop and jump with joy, every girl and every boy. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry too. So many flavors just to choose.
Pointing fingers, eyes so wide. Happiness they cannot hide.
Scoops go up, cones held tight. Ice cream shining in the light. Cold and sweet, a tasty treat. Melting softly, drip, drip, neat.
Laughter echoes all around. Crunchy cones make funny sounds. Sticky fingers, smiling face. Ice cream love in every place.
Sharing bites and saying yum. Best surprise for everyone. Summer day feels extra nice, thanks to cool and creamy ice. Drip on